hush beneath the roots. Something older learns my name, not in words, but in the bending of the dark. Every branch is turned to witness, every leaf a watching eye. Veins of sap like sacred scripture, spelling truths that never die. I walked in seeking only silence, earth beneath my trembling feet. But the moss began remembering all the hearts it used to keep.
There is no wind, yet all things bow. There is no throne, yet something reigns here now.
Oh, mine beneath the emerald shadow, ancient pulse below the sky. Teach my fear to kneel in wonder, teach my soul not ask you why. If I vanish in your dream, if my name dissolves in stone, let me fade with open eyes here, before the thought that grows alone. Trunks like pillars black and endless, ring with hymns I cannot hold. Every hollow breathes a presence, older than the birth of cold. In the bark a thousand faces, half of mercy, half command. And the stars above fall silent, like they too can understand.
It does not speak, it rearranges. It does not hum, it makes us sacred strangers.
Oh, mine beneath the emerald shadow, ancient pulse below the sky. Break my reason into beauty, let my smallness testify. If I vanish in your dream, if my blood becomes your own, let me rest where terror softens into awe before the unknown. I feel the forest turning inward, counting every breath I am. Not a beast, not a god, but a vast unending plan. And I a flicker in its memory, stand beneath its woven light, want to neither escape nor answer, only strength to bear the sight. Oh, my beneath the emerald shadow, keeper of the nameless flame, take the shape I called my body, leave behind a truer name. If the heavens are your branches, if the void is just your seam, let me fall in holy silence, to the root of the unseen. No prayer returns, no mercy given, only stillness, white as heaven. And in that stillness, something I came to fear and stayed to bow.